If you want something big in your life, you have to sacrifice something. If you have a big dream and if you want to give a proper shape to your dream, if you want your dream become a reality, then you must sacrifice everything, or else you have to sacrifice your dream. Dream is not that which you see while you sleep. Dream is something which don't let you sleep. You can never achieve your dreams without taking enough action. The journey is not gonna be smooth. The people around you may never believe you. Your relatives might stop believing you. Your friends might stop believing you. Even if your family have lost trust in you, still you should not give up. Giving up is an easy option. Before you give up, just close your eyes and think one more time, why have you started? You have to pass through all the hardships in order to achieve something big in your life. People around you might not have the same vision which you have. Even if your relatives, friends and families are against you, they are not supporting anymore. Still, you should follow your dream. You should not stop believing in you. Success will never fall on your lap. It depends on your ability to hustle. It depends on how disciplined your life is. It depends on your willpower. No one has ever become successful without hardships. Then why you are expecting an easy and comfortable life? Then how can you expect success without hardships? You want a comfortable life surrounded by your families. You want a comfortable life surrounded by your friends, having junk foods and bowling in the nightclubs. Is that all you ever wanted in life? Then what about the people who spend their time in meditation, eat healthy foods, living a disciplined life, constantly chasing their dreams, sacrificing all the comforts of life? Are they fools? Aren't they human beings? Aren't they have enough desires? First, you have to pass through all the pains in life. Then there is success, comfort, and satisfaction. When will the day come you will be an early riser? When will the day come you will start exercising? When will the day come you will start taking risk in your life? When will the day come you will be an action man? When will the day come you will start chasing your dream? Then when will be the day you start taking enough action to make your dream come true? Till the time you're breathing, till the time your blood is flowing through your veins, till the time your heart is beating, you are in the game. Till the time you're not dead, you have an opportunity to make your dream become a reality.